Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about the top 11 WhatsApp features you must know. Remember to hit the like button so that our video reaches more people. Now let's get started. Are you aware of the new features that you can expect on your WhatsApp account this 2022? You might not be using it yet, so make sure to watch the entire video so that you can learn more features that you can use when reaching out to your friends, colleagues, or contacting a business account. Using the WhatsApp Business app, you can start creating ads on the platform. It can help you reach new customers as you advertise on Facebook. Next, let's talk about WhatsApp communities. Communities can help people organize small group discussion for separate groups under one organization or community. Communities will have tools for admins for easier management. Next, admin delete. Group admins can delete messages from another user. If the admin of the group decides that the messages shared by another user are not relevant, they can delete the message. It will show a status that the message was deleted by this admin, so admins can remove irrelevant messages sent by the other members of the group. Next, reply privately on groups. If you want to respond to a user's message without others seeing your response, you can tap and hold the message, then tap on the three dots, and from the drop-down list, tap on Reply Privately. You can see a section showing that you are responding to this message privately. You may notice that the response is shown in your private chat. It also shows the group name here, so you won't be confused where this message came from. Next, increased file sharing size. WhatsApp users will enjoy sharing files, especially videos with a larger capacity. It is now up to 2 GB of file size. Next, voice calls get the new design. The design of the WhatsApp window changed as participants joined the group voice call. Also, it can now support up to 32 users to join the voice call. Next, pause and resume voice recording. When recording a voice message, it would be possible to pause the recording without the need to stop it. You can even resume from the time it is paused. It lessens the time wasted as users try to record voice messages that were interrupted. Instead of deleting the voice message and starting over, they can just hit the pause button. Next, play voice messages outside WhatsApp chats. If you leave a chat window where the voice message is, the voice message will keep on playing in the background. Next, edit the playback speed of voice messages. If you need to listen to voice recordings, you can set it to play to 1.5 or twice the normal speed. This is helpful if you are listening to a longer voice message and want to save time listening to that message. Next, animated stickers. In addition to emojis and GIFs, you can select more stickers to share with your friends on WhatsApp. Tap on this icon and you can see the available stickers on your app. To add more, just tap on the plus icon. You can see more stickers to download, and you can find all the stickers that you have downloaded in this section. You can even drag and reorder the sticker packs as shown in this section. Next, sticker suggestion. Type in a word in this text field, then tap on the smile icon. Next, tap on the sticker icon and tap on the search icon. You can view the tabs depending on the emotion. If you want to send greetings, you can view all the stickers related to greetings that you have downloaded. Next, photo set to view once. Do you want to send a photo and it will disappear after it is viewed? Just upload a photo, then tap on the icon before the send button. If you tap on this icon, this photo can be viewed only once. If you notice this icon, it means that you can only view this photo for one time. Once the recipient opens the photo, the sender will see a notification that this media has been opened. Take note that the user can still take screenshots. The recipient also views this status opened as they close the media, and this feature works for photos and videos only. Next, delete messages. If you decide to remove a chat that you have sent to another WhatsApp user, you can tap and hold the message, then choose to delete for everyone. It will show as the message was deleted, and for the sender, it will show a status that you have deleted this message. Next, react to messages. An individual text can have an emoji reaction. Just tap and hold the message, and you will see a pop-up that shows different emojis that you can send as a reaction to this message, and this is a similar feature on Facebook Messenger. Next, reply to a status. If your contacts upload a status, You can view it under the Status tab. If you swipe up, you can respond to their status. You can respond using text, emojis, attach files, or send a voice message. When a user responds to your status, you can view the response in your chat window. You may notice a small preview of your media and the caption of your status on the top section of this message. If you need to create landing pages, funnels, lead pages in just a few clicks, we have a marketing app that can help you build a successful online business. You can create beautiful web pages, click and modify, and you don't need to learn how to do coding. You can create funnels with upsells, downsells, or order bumps. You can grab leads and send emails using Cloud Funnels. It also supports all major payment gateways, and you can offer memberships to your customers. With Cloud Funnels, you can create any type of business website, landing page, and funnel. Build your profits using memberships. Profit forever with email marketing. So try Cloud Funnels now. Go to the URL yournextfunnel.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.